long periods of time. Leading heavy-duty diesel engine oil, it gets dirty, rusty, and making our engine worn out. That's gunk, wear, and corrosion in your engine. But when you use Shell Raynor R4 Plus, it drives out gunk and stops wear and corrosion. Relieve engine stress caused by gunk, wear, and corrosion. Use Shell Raynor R4 Plus, the #1 heavy-duty diesel engine oil in the Philippines with dynamic protection technology. It provides triple action on critical engine parts for maximum engine protection versus leading heavy-duty diesel engine oil. Shell Raynor R4 Plus, the heavy-duty stress reliever. Shell Raynor R4 Plus, the best match for Shell V-powered diesel. Available at Shell Helix Oil Change Plus in your favorite auto supply stores. Shell, the official fuel of UNTV News and Rescue.
Isang sobrang saksak pwedeng magdulot ng sunog. Iwasan ang pagsasaksak ng maraming appliances sa iisang outlet. Gumamit ng tamang extension. Tanggalin ang hindi ginagamit at regular na i-check ang kable. Kaligtasan sa kuryente. Responsibilidad ng bawat isa. Isang paalala mula sa UNTV, your public service channel.
From the #1 motorcycle oil, new upgraded Shell Advance Ultra with its upgraded Pure Plus technology. It keeps your engine clean to make every ride powerful. For maximum engine protection. It's the #1 motorcycle oil used by Ducati here in the Philippines. New upgraded Shell Advance Ultra. Advanced performance for easier starts. Shell Advance Ultra, the best match for Shell V-powered gasoline and racing. Available at Shell Helix Oil Change Plus in your favorite bike stops. Shell, the official fuel of UNTV News and Rescue.
May text ka ba na nanalo ka raw ng malaki? O kaya naman may parcel pero wala ka namang in-order? Mag-ingat! Mas matalino na ang mga scammers ngayon. Gumagamit sila ng mga peking links upang nakawin ang iyong ipon, maging ang personal mong impormasyon. Hinto, mag-isip bago mag-click. Huwag na huwag ibibigay ang iyong password, OTP o bank details kahit kanino. Kapag too good to be true, siguradong scam yan. Protektahan ang sarili online. Isang paalala mula sa himpilang ito.
Under extreme engine heat, feeding synthetic motor oil, turn, slop free, and sticks. It stresses out your engine. But when you use Shell Helix Ultra, the oil stays smooth and fluid throughout the time. Relieve engine stress. Use Shell Helix Ultra, the #1 fully synthetic motor oil in the Philippines, now with upgraded Pure Plus technology. It keeps your oil stable, even at hotter temperatures, for maximum engine protection versus leading synthetic motor oil. Shell Helix Ultra, the fully synthetic stress reliever. Shell Helix Ultra, the best match for Shell V-powered gasoline and racing. Available at Shell Helix Oil Change Plus in your favorite auto supply store. Shell, the official fuel of UNTV News and Rescue.
Nakaupo sa trabaho? Nako, mas nakakapagod yan at nagpapabagal ng iyong metabolismo. Ang labis na pag-upo ay parang laso na unti-unting nagpapahina sa ating katawan. Ang sikreto sa malakas na pangangatawan? Galaw-galaw din pag may time! Hindi kailangan ng matinding ehersisyo. Tumayo kada oras, mag-unat-unat o gamitin ang hagdan imbis na elevator. Panatilihing gising ang katawan at masigla ang sirkulasyon ng dugo buong maghapon. Isang paalala para sa kalusugan mula sa UNTV, your public service channel.
Look how the top third keeps sliding away. Mr. Clean Extra Strength. It backs up every top third and prevents it from sticking. It's the extra toilet shield.
New Mr. Clean Extra Strength prevents top dirt from sticking.
Naaamoy mo ba yan? Maaaring maitagas ang hose ng LPG. Huwag magsindi ng ilaw o posporo. Isara agad ang tangke, buksan ang mga bintana, at dali-daling lumayo sa lugar. Tumawag din agad sa pinakamalapit na fire station. Sa LPG leak, mabilis na aksyon ang susi sa kaligtasan. Isang paalala mula sa UNTV, your public service channel.
UNTV Newsbreak with Roel Pugnos. These germs are doomed! As they no ordinary bleachers flush away, they could only come back! But new Mr. Clean extended germ kill cleans for longer to help stop germs from coming back flush after flush after flush! Enjoy your weekend, old. New Mr. Clean extended germ kill. Nothing protects as long.
Iba na ang mundo ngayon. Ang pag-scam, online na rin. At sa isang iglap, maaaring mawala ang buong buhay mong pinag-ipunan, buong buhay mong pinaghirapan. Mag-ingat sa mga website na hindi lehitimo, mga link na ipinadala sa pamamagitan ng text o online messages, lalo na kung hindi mo naman ito hinihingi. Ang one-time password at online account app password ay personal. Huwag ipaalam sa iba. Kung na-scam, palitan agad ang password ng iyong account at mag-report sa mga otoridad. Hindi biro ang ma-scam online. Buhay at kinabukasan ng pamilya ang nakataya dito. Kaya todo ingat, mga kasangbahay. Isang paalala mula sa UNTV, your public service channel.
UNTV Newsbreak. I'm Roel Pugnos! Why does it make germ world yellow, gray, all their beautiful colors disappeared? And as also with whiteness, it's new Mr. Clean Natural White! Maximum whiteness and kills germs dead! New Mr. Clean Natural White. Maximum whiteness and kills germs dead.
Oh, Ian!
Oh,
Ang aga pa. May lakad ka?
oo, pupunta ako sa BIR para magbayad ng buwis. Eh, alam mo na, kailangan maaga tayo para makaiwas sa mahabang pila at abala.
Bakit naman kailangan mo pa magbayad ng buwis?
Obligasyon natin yan bilang mamamayan. Ang buwis natin ang ginagamit na pondo ng ating pamahalaan para sa pagpapagawa ng infrastruktura, libreng pagpapaaral, mga gamot na kanilang binibigay at iba pang mga serbisyo sa bawat Pilipino.
Ganun ba? Akala ko kasi pandagdag gastos lang sa atin yan.
Aba, hindi. Yung mga kalsada, tulay, gusali at serbisyong binibigay ng gobyerno, yan yung kontribusyong bunga ng tugot pawis ng bawat Pilipino.
Magbabayad na rin ako ng buwis kung gano'n naman pala. Eh kaso, hindi pa pala maayos yung mga papeles ko.
May panahon pa naman kasi sa April 15 ng huling araw ng filing ng Income Tax Return o ITR.
Paalala ko lang, huwag mo nang paabutin ng deadline.
Ah, okay, sige. Salamat sa paalala, kaibigan.
Sige,
Magbayad ng tamang buwis. Isang paalala mula sa UNTV, your public service channel.
Your car's engine has a 1.4-liter gasoline type engine. Your car needs an oil, a motor oil that is used by Ferrari. It's what Vanguards trust. New and stronger Shell Helix Ultra. Now with upgraded Shell Pure Plus technology, it keeps your engine clean for maximum performance. It's the #1 oil used by Ferrari. It's what Vanguards trust. New and improved Shell Helix Ultra, the #1 motor oil in the Philippines. It's the Vanguard's choice. Shell, the official fuel of UNTV News and Rescue.
Alam mo ba na kapag nararamdaman mo ang uhaw, ikaw ay dehydrated? Tubig ang pinakamahalagang gasolina para manatili kang alerto at nasa kondisyon buong araw. Huwag nang hintaying sumakit ang ulo o biglang manghina. Gawing ugali ang pag-inom ng tubig. Laging magbaon ng water bottle, uminom ng madalas at ipagpalit muna ang mga matatamis na inumin sa isang malamig at nakagiginhawang baso ng tubig. Isang paalala mula sa UNTV, your public service channel.
Shell V-Power with upgraded triple action formula. Now with 10 times advanced additive technology. Keeps your engine clean for improved performance. It's the #1 fuel in the Philippines used by Ferrari. Keep STAC Intramural's valiant Vanguard win against Mighty Pioneer to secure the championship. Now Vanguard's got the power. from Shell V-Power. Shell, the official fuel of UNTV News and Rescue.